This is the 36 video. Well, you need to just keep on going to posting the 36 video come out on you can send it to Peterson and to new episode. This one video, I'm not getting more views, and when I just going to watch your video has less views, because you should stop doing like that. Even though this is already the 36 video come out on weekends, so when is the time to start the video come out on August 5, 2025. O tapos yan na, 36 video come out on weekends, maka 1 year na sila na August. O tapos magkakunt ka sa video singers na still keep on going like crazy. So now for 07 na dapat ka na tupas singers, or you're just going to name to tupas singer Mao ka. Now you're just going to do this one like every time you just listen and go back and pause a video like Nacha David the Singing Hunter season 2 and then put new episodes on it. What about the special episodes? You're going to do that one? No, because you're going to do this one like forever. I haven't said much. What the Kyle, ikaw naman ang tunod sa mama mo. I don't care about what you said about your jokes. Anyways, go back to the video came out on when does it going to stop. Like if it is 5 p.m. Okay, I'm sure a bit because I'm not going to do this one. I'm not going to waste my life saying 9 p.m. But if it is 9 p.m. then we are screwed. Yeah, you screwed, not me, because you made the schedule along with the pop long videos. Kaya ang pop long videos, may the karaoke naman and sessions sa ibang guys na nagoma o ayaw naman PowerPoint sa barangays. I'm talking about the Interporak na barangay. What about you? Have you come across with those video singers? If you do, then yes, then you are a part of the video singers because you are the singing hunter. You're going to hunt some people down singing it. But no, this is not about hunting. This is all about listening to one of the ears. This is culture. We all care about the culture. Singing in the Philippines might be one of the best cultures in the Philippines. Philippines are born to sing. And why do you just make your own topic? Why don't you just make your own video about the topic? Why Philippines is the best singer? Why YouTube shorts instead? What if YouTube long videos and then I will not going to include you, Kyle? You are the one who makes stuff up. So I'm going to include you only in the YouTube shorts naman. Why? Because I am the only one filming myself in a video alone, and not because one of my cloning videos like me doesn't require you suddenly. Well, it's 4 or 10. What the heck? Well, it's 4:10 p.m. and they suddenly going to keep singing the video game out. Stop with that iconic laugh. Uy, kakuan mo ang tawa ka. Anyways, you have to end the video. So, 1, I have 0% of talking. You have 100% of talking. And second, naman, if I live sini, start at 5, I will live stream. No,